about string. We studied about some functions of string. Let's recall that functions, and next we'll proceed to some programs in this class. We'll do some string and numeric based programs in this class. First, we'll recall what are the functions of string we read at last class. First function, len. Len function is used to determine the length of the string or number of characters present in the string. Each upper. Each functions give result in either true or false. So each upper works like that. It will check whether the string inputted string is in uppercase or lowercase. If the inputted string will be in uppercase, then it will return true, otherwise it will return as false. Then each lower, it is just opposite to each upper. It will check either the string input string is in lowercase. If it is in lowercase, then it will return as true, else it will return false. Each title, it will check either the first letter or first character of the string is capital letter or not. Capitalize, it will convert the whole string in uppercase. Title, this is title and this is title. This returns the result in true or false, and this converts the first character of the string to uppercase. Then next is split. It will convert the string into list, and it will form it will separated by the words. For example, Python is a programming language. Then if we'll use this split function, then it will come as like this: Python, is, a, programming, then language. So this is the work of split. Next is partition. Partition, split converts the string into list, partition will convert into tuple. Is alnum, it will check whether the string contains both a numeric data type and string data type or not, and it will also return the result in true or false, as it is a is operator. Now we'll proceed to programs. First we'll see what is the first program. First program is write a program to input two numbers and print all arithmetic functions in them. Means we will input two numbers. Let's take two numbers are a and b. Then we will use all arithmetic operators within the two inputted numbers. What are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percent, then double slash, double asterisk. These are the arithmetic functions. So we will input two numbers and use all arithmetic functions in them. First we will input first number, a equal to int input, b equal to int input, The two numbers we have taken in integer data type. Then for sum equal to a plus b. Then for subtraction we will use the variable as sum equal to a minus b. Then for product or multiplication we will use p equal to a asterisk b. For division a slash b. Another thing, the division always gives the result in floating point data type. Means if we will divide 25 by 5, it will not give the result as 5, it will give the result as 5.0. Always it will convert the data type into floating point value. Next is reminder a percent b. We can check the reminder, we can find the reminder by using the arithmetic operator as percent symbol. Then floor division a double slash b. It also gives the result in floating point value, but what is difference between basic difference between division and floor division will come across. If we get a result after division, we get a result as 2.2. This 2.2 result will get in division, but when we come to floor division, then we'll get the result at 2.0. It will round off the figure to the nearest value. So if we will use single slash, then we will get 2.2, and if we use double slash, that is floor division, then it will become 2.0. That means it rounds off. Next is exponential a double asterisk b. That means a to the power b. Exponential means a double asterisk b. That means a to the power b. We can write means for example a is 2 and b is 3. We can write like this 2 into 2 asterisk 2 asterisk 2. But if the power is 100, we cannot write 100 times. So this is the best method, a double asterisk b. Next, print sum, then print sub, print p, print d, print r, print f, print e. So at last we will print all the arithmetic values that we got after using all the arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percent, double slash, double asterisk. So first program is completed. Next program, write a program to input two numbers and find the largest among them. To compare two numbers, we will use the operator called relational operator that finds relation between two or more items. A equal to I into input, B equal to I into input. Again we inputted two numbers as integer data type. If A greater than B, this greater than symbol is called relational operator. What are the relational operators? Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. These are called relational operators. These are called relational operators. This finds relation between two inputted numbers or any two items. Or this compares LHS with RHS. So it will compare A greater than B or not. If A greater than B means, as we know, relational operator always gives the result in true or false. If it is true, then the following block of statements will run, otherwise it will not run. If we write if A greater than B, inside indentation we will write print A A will then run when the result will be true, otherwise it will not run. Elif b greater than a, print b. If the first if statement will work, then it will the program will ignore the elif part, and if this first if statement will not run, then elif part will run. Second program is completed. Next, write a program to input three numbers and print large, larger and largest among them. We have to input three numbers. A equal to int input, b also equal to int input, and again c equal to also int. If a greater than b and b greater than c, we are using and, which is called logical operator. What are the logical operators? And, or, not, and plus not, NAND, not plus or nor, and another one is XOR. These are called logical operators. Okay, so what are logical operators? These are and, or, not, NAND, nor, XOR. This finds some logic between two relational operators. If a greater than b and b greater than c, then we can know that a is largest, b is larger than c, means c is the smallest, then b is larger than larger than c, and a is largest among all. Then according to that we will print some statements. Then elif b greater than c and c greater than a. In this case, if b is greater than a and c is greater than b is greater than c and c is greater than a, then we can know that a is the smallest number, c is greater than b, c is greater than a, and b is the largest among all. According to that, we will also print some statements here. Last condition, elif c greater than a and a greater than b. Then you can know that b is the smallest among all, a is greater than b, and c is the greatest. According to that, we will print some statements. So third program is also completed. Next is write a program to input a number and check it is check that it is negative, positive, or zero. Okay. Program number 4. We will input a number and we will check that it is negative, positive, or zero. Here also we are using which type of operator? Relational operators. A equal to int input. If a greater than 0, then we will print positive. As positive numbers are greater than 0, so we will write the condition as if a greater than 0, then print positive. And if a less than 0, print negative. Then again elif a double equal to 0, print 0. So these are the three conditions. If a greater than 0, then we have to print positive. If a less than 0, then we will print negative. And if a double equal to 0, then we print as 0. What is the difference between double equal to and single equal to in Python? Double equal to is relational operator and single equal to is assignment operator. What is different between relational operator and assignment operator? This operator means assignment operator used to assign a value to a variable. Means if you are writing a equal to 5, then we are using this single equal to. That means we are assigning 5 to the variable a. This is the work of assignment operator. And what is logical operator, sorry, relation operator? This checks LHS and RHS value and returns the answer in true or false. This is the basic difference between double equal to and single equal to. Then next program, write a program to input a number and check it is the Armstrong number or not. It is very important question. And 5, a equal to int input. Then we'll convert this number into string. B equal to str a. First we have to understand what is the logic of Armstrong number. Let's take an example. The number is 153. The number of digits are 3. And what is the reverse of this number? Reverse of the number is 351. So the logic of this Armstrong number is 1 cube, means the power will be the number of digits. Number of digits is 3. So 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 should be equal to the reverse of the number. If this is true, then we can know this number is the Armstrong number, otherwise not. So this is the basic logic behind Armstrong number. So a equal to int input. Then first time we will use the string function, means which converts any integer or floating point value to a string. B equal to str a. L equal to len b. Also we are using the len function to determine the number of digits of the number. Then c equal to empty string. Then for I in b, we are using in here. In is called membership operator. What a membership operator? In and not in. It checks whether the value, means I, is present inside b or not. If not, then it will return false. If yes, then it will return as true. This is membership operator. So if I in b, c plus equal to str, then bracket int I double asterisk l. First what we will do, now i's value is in string. First we will convert I into int, means I will become 1. Before I was inside the quotation, so it was string. Now I became only 1, means that is integer. Then double asterisk l means to the power l. L means the number of digits. Let's say 3. 1 to the power 3. Then the result is whole converted into string, means again it is converted into string. So so we write the code as c plus equal to str inside int I double asterisk l. Then we will write the code for reverse. R equal to b inside square bracket double is to minus 1. We can find the reverse by using index method, as we have read in the last class, indexing, that slicing and indexing. With that method we can determine the reverse of the number. Means we'll get the code as inside square bracket we will write double is to minus 1. If the string is Python, then it will start from index minus 1. Minus 1 means from n. So the result will be NOHTYP. This will be the result. If the final condition, if c double equal to r, and print Armstrong number. Else print not Armstrong number. Okay, This is the simple logic behind Armstrong number. How you can check the number is Armstrong number or not. Then next program is write a program to input a number and find its factorial. Program number 6. A equal to int input, f equal to 1. For getting factorial, we'll assign a value as f. Before that, why we are assigning the initial value as 1? Before that, we have to know the logic behind factorial. What is the logic behind factorial? Means let's take the number is 5. Then what is factorial of 5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is logic behind getting factorial of a number. Multiply all numbers up to 1 from that number to 1. This is the simple logic behind factorial number. If we will take an initial number as 0, then after multiplication the factorial will always come as 0. So we are taking as initial value as 1. Then we will put the number in for loop. For I in range 1 comma a plus 1. But a plus 1 means if a number is up to 5, the range is up to 6. 6 means the upper value is not included. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The upper value is 6 will not be included. It will go up to 5 only. So we write the upper value as a plus 1. F asterisk equal to I. Asterisk equal to, plus equal to, this is called augmented operations, in which we use any arithmetic operator before the assignment operator. That is called augmented operators. Print factorial as f. So this is the simple logic behind factorial. That is, we'll put the number in for loop for I in range 1 to a plus 1, then f asterisk equal to I. Next, 7th program, write a program to input a number and find all its factors. Last program was to find its factorial, now we'll find its factors. A equal to int input for I in range 1 to a plus 1. Here also for factorial and factors, this line is common. This for loop part is common in both programs, that is factorial and factors. If a% I double equal to 0, this statement checks the number is either divisible by a or not. If yes, then that I the number is the factor of a, otherwise not. So if a percentage I double equal to 0, then print I. This is the simple logic. This is a very small program and very easy. Generally, this type of program comes in output based as 2 marks only. Sometimes this comes as MCQ also, but that varies. Then write a program to input a number and count the number of factors. Just we have to add a counter variable, then we'll count the number of factors of that number. Let's see how it works. Number 8. A equal to int input before for we'll take a counter variable as 0 for I in range 1 to a plus 1. If a% I double equal to 0, then c plus equal to 1. And if the a is divisible by I, means if the I is a factorial of a, then the value of c will increase by 1, means this c count the number of factors of the number. For example, the number is 25. First the range up to 1 to 25, it will go first 25 by 1, then 1 is it is equal, the percentage will be, if 25% is 1, then the result will be 0, as 1 is completely divided by 25. So now c's value is 1, then 25% 2, the value is not equal to 1, so c's value will remain as same. 25 divided by 2, c value will not change, then it will come to 25% 5, then the answer will be 0, then c value will be 2. Like this c's value will increase 1 1 1, then at last, after the for loop completion, we can get the number of factors of the program, number of factors of the number. Okay. Last we will print number of factors, that is c. Next, write a program to input a number and store all its factors in a list. For list, we'll assign a empty list before that. L equal to square bracket, and for I in range. This for loop statement always will become same when there is a case of factors. If in question factor comes, then this for loop statement will always remain same. If a% I double equal to 0, then L dot append, here append function is used. Append function means if after looping we get first factor as 1, then inside square bracket first 1 will come, then if next factor is 3, then 3, then 6, like this it will come. Appending, this is a function of list which adds value to the empty list. Print list of factors L. So this program is completed. Next program, write a program to input a number and check whether it is prime number or composite number. This is a very good question. This we can check by using that counter variable. We'll found number of factors, then if number of factors is greater than 2, then it is composite number, and if the number of factors is equal to 2, then we can check, we can know that it is a prime number, and if number of factors is less than 2, then the number is 1. As you know, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. C equal to 0, A equal to any input, then C equal to 0. For I in range 1 comma A plus 1, if A% I double equal to 0, then C plus equal to 1. Then if outside of for loop, if we will write that if C greater than 2, then print composite. If C less than 2, sorry, elif c double equal to 2 will print prime. So this is the simple logic behind the program. As at 7 number program we have written that to find the number of factors of the program. This is same, just again we are checking two conditions to find prime or composite number. Next is write a program to input a number and check it is palindrome number or not. This is another a very important program like Armstrong number. First we read Armstrong number as a very important program. The next is palindrome number. So first we know what is the logic behind palindrome number. Palindrome number is that number whose reverse equal to that number. For example, 131, its reverse is also 131. So 131 is a palindrome number. 11 is a palindrome number. 121 is a palindrome number. So these are the examples of palindrome numbers whose reverse equal to the number. We'll write the program. 11 number program, a equal to int input, then b equal to str a, means we are converting the integer into string, then we will find the reverse of the string, means we are ultimately we are getting the reverse of the number. Then we can check if the reverse is equal to the number, then we can check the number is palindrome number or not. R equal to b double is to -1. This finds the reverse of the string. Ultimately we get the reverse of the digit. So if r double equal to b, then print palindrome. Else print not palindrome. Okay. This is the simple logic behind the program. It is also very easy and very important also. Next, also a very important program. Write a program to input a number and check it is Budge number or not. So first we will understand what is Budge number, then we will write the code for it. Budge number is that number if we divide the number by 7, then the remainder should be 0. And if we are dividing the number by 10, then the remainder should come as 7. These two are the conditions to get Budge number. If this both conditions give true, then this is Budge number, else not. 12. A equal to int input, if a %7 double equal to 0 or a %10 double equal to 7, then print Budge number. Else print not Budge. This is very simple program and very important program also. Budge number, Armstrong number and palindrome numbers, these three are very important programs. Next is also very easy program. Write a program to input a number and print its reverse. A equal to int input, b equal to str a, r equal to b inside square bracket double is to minus 1. With help of indexing we will get the reverse of the string. Ultimately we are getting the reverse of the number. C equal to intr if a double equal to c, then print, sorry, not if, because we are not checking anything, we have to just print the reverse, so we'll write only print. So this is a simple logic for reverse statement. First we convert the number into string, means by using the str function b equal to str a, then with help of indexing, that is inside square bracket we will write double is to minus 1, that we are getting the reverse of the string. Ultimately we are getting the reverse of the digit. Then again we convert the reverse to a int value, means c equal to intr, then we will check, not check, we will print the reverse is c. This is the simple logic. Next is write a program to input a number and print all its even factors and odd factors in two different lists. Okay, this is also a very important question. We have to separate all odd factors and all even factors in two different lists. Means we will first assign two empty lists, one for even factors and another one is for odd factors. This is program number 14. E equal to empty square bracket and O equal to also empty square bracket. For I in range 1 to a plus 1, if a percent I double equal to 0, then this condition checks if I is factor of a or not, then another condition will write to check it is even factor or odd factor. If inside for we write another for. This condition is called as nested loop. Inside one for we will write, inside one if we will write another if. This is called nested if or nested condition. Same goes for loop also. If inside one for loop we write another for loop, then it's called nested for or nested loop. If a percentage I double equal to 0, which checks the factor, then we'll write if I percent 2 double equal to 0, which checks it is an even number, then E dot append I. Elif I percent 2 not equal to 0, E dot append, not E, O dot append I, means we are assigning the odd factors to the odd list, that is O. At last, outside the for loop, we will write print E and print O. This is the program. Next, write a program to input two numbers and create list of its factors and print another list of only common factors. Okay. So this program says we have to input two numbers. Let's say one is A, another one is B. We'll make two different list of its factors. Means the factors of A are stored in L1, then factors of B are stored in L2. Then we'll assign another empty list, that is L, to that list contain those factors which are common in both A and B. So let's write the program. This is program number 15. A equal to int input. We'll assign three empty lists. First empty list for factors of first number, second empty list for factors of second number, third empty list for common factors. We have inputted first number, then we will input the second number. P equal to int input. L equal to empty list, L1 equal to empty list, then L2 equal to again empty list. For I in range 1 to a plus 1, if a percent I double equal to 0, then L1 dot append I, print L1. Then for we have now created the list for factors of the first number. Then for j in range 1 to b plus 1, if b percent j double equal to 0, then L2 dot append j. The further codes I am writing here. For k in L1, no sorry, before that we will print L2. If k in L1, for k in L1, if k in L2, then we'll append the L, means the list we have taken for assigning the common factors. L dot append k, means if the condition are true, then k is the common factors of both a and b. So we are assigning L dot append k. This is a big program but very easy. If someone will understand, then he or she can write easily. Now we'll proceed to the next program. Next is write a program to input run of a batsman and print its remarks. Run equal to int input enter run. If run greater than equal to 100, then print century. Elif run greater than equal to 50, then we will print half century. Elif run less than 50, print work hard. Means if the run is greater than 100, then the result will come as century, means the batsman has scored a century. Then if the run is greater than equal to 50, greater than or equal to 50, then the result will come as half century. Then if the batsman is scoring less than 50, then the message will come as work hard. Proceed to next question. Write a program to input percentage of a student and calculate its grades. So this is also a good and important question. That is grade calculation. Let's see. Program number 17. P equal to float input enter percentage, enter percent. Why we are taking float? Because percentage can be like this: 90.5, 92.3. So like this can also percent be. So we are taking the data type as float. If p greater than equal to 95, print grade A. And if p greater than equal to 90, print grade. So this is A plus, this is A. And if p greater than equal to 85, then print grade B plus. And if p greater than equal to 80, then print grade B. And if p greater than equal to 70, print grade C. And if p greater than equal to 60, print grade D. And if p greater than equal to 50, print grade E. And if p less than 40, print fail. So we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 conditions. Means we are writing 8 grades. First, if p is percentage is greater than 95, then we are writing grade is A plus. And if percentage is greater than equal to 90, then the grade is A. If percentage is greater than 85, then grade is B plus. If percentage is greater than or equal to 80, then the grade is B. If percentage is greater than equal to 70, then the grade is C. And if percentage is greater than equal to 60, grade D. If percentage is greater than equal to 50, grade E. And at last, if percentage is less than 40, then the grade will be fail. So this program is completed. This is a lengthy program but very easy. Next, write a program to input the age of a person and check that the person is eligible to vote or not. So what is the eligibility of voting? So if the age is greater than 18 or equal to 18, means if age is greater than equal to 18, then the person is eligible to vote, else not. Program number 18. Age A equal to int input enter age. If A greater than equal to 18, print eligible for vote. Elif, sorry, not elif, we'll simply write else. Print not eligible. So this is the program behind checking the eligibility of voting for people according to their age. We'll input the age as A equal to int input, enter the age, then we'll check if a is greater than equal to 18, then print eligible for vote, else print not eligible. Next program, write a program to input principal, rate of interest and time period to calculate the simple interest. int, sorry, not int, float input. Rate percent is also equal to float input. Time is int input. Then we'll calculate simple interest. SI equal to P asterisk R asterisk T slash 100. This is the formula for simple interest, that is PRT by 100. As we read in maths, to calculate the simple interest, the formula is PRT by 100. So P asterisk R asterisk T whole divided by 100. Completed. Next program. Then write a program to input rate of interest, principal and time period to find compound interest. So first we'll write the formula for compound interest. Formula for compound interest is CI equal to P whole into 1 plus R by N whole to the power N minus P. N means we know as P is principal value, R is rate of interest and N is time period. So we'll not write N, we'll write T, the variable we are assigning to time period. P equal to float input then we'll write as R equal to float input T equal to int input. Now write the form. Now write the code for compound interest. Formula is P whole into 1 plus R by T. Then P asterisk 1 plus R by R slash T whole asterisk, yes, whole double asterisk T minus P. So this is mathematical formula. In this formula I have written Python code. P asterisk I plus R slash T whole double asterisk T minus P. Now this is the formula for compound interest. So this program is also completed. Next is write a program to input a string and check it's a palindrome string or not. A equal to input. Before we are writing int input because we are assigning or inputting a number or integer. Now we are inputting only string value. So we'll write only a equal to input, r equal to a double is to minus 1. Then if a double is to r double equal to r, then print palindrome string, else print not palindrome. Okay, this program is also completed. Next is write a program to input a string and count number of vowels or number of consonants. Simple. For I in A, before that we'll take two counter variables, first to count number of vowels and another one is to count number of consonants. So we'll take B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. B for number of vowels and C for number of consonants. For I in A means we are putting the string in loop. If I in A, E, I, O, U or small a, E, I, O, U, which are the vowels, then B plus equal to 1. If I not in A, E, I, O, U or small a, E, I, O, U, then C plus equal to 1. Print number of vowels, then print number of consonants. So this is the simple program. A equal to input means we are inputting a string. Then we will take two values, counter variables, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, to find the number of vowels or number of consonants in the given string. Then for I in A, we are iterating this string. Then if I in capital A, E, I, O, U and small a, E, I, O, U, irrespective of the case, then B plus equal to 1. Then if A not in A, E, I, O, U, then C plus equal to 1. Then print number of vowels as B and number of consonants as C. Write a program to calculate buzz phase. So this is very important question, to calculate buzz phase. According to this program, the logic for buzz is if the numbers are multiple of 3, then it is called buzz, and if the numbers are multiple of fizz, then they are called fizz. This is not that buzz number we read that it is percentage means a% 7 double equal to 0. It is not the same as that. It is buzz fizz means if the number is multiple of 3, then it will print as buzz. Otherwise, if the number is multiple of 5, then we will print fizz. Program number 23. For starting we'll write for I in range 1 to a plus 1. At a plus 1 we'll write a1 to 50. Let's take 50 numbers. If I% 3 double equal to 0, print buzz, comma I. Elif I %5 not double equal to 0, print fees I. So this is the simple program behind bus fees. Next is write a program to input a string and make a vowel list and a consonant list. A equal to int, so not int, we will simple write input. Then B equal to empty list, C equal also empty list. For I in A, if I in capital A E I O U and small a e I O U, then B dot append I. Elif I not in a e I o u and small a e I o u, then C dot append I. Print B, print C. So we have to make in this program ask that we'll input a string, then we'll find two lists. First is list of vowels, another is list of consonants. Write a program to input a number and count the number of times A and T are present in it. So this is 25th program and the last program for this class. A equal to input, T equal to 0 and capital A equal to 0. This program asks to find the number of T present in the string or the number of A present in the string. For I in A, if I double equal to quotation A, then T plus equal to 1. Elif I double equal to capital A, then A plus equal to 1. Print frequency of T, then print frequency of A. So this program asks that number of times T or A are present in the string A. So this is the logic. We will put the string in loop for I in A. If I double equal to inside string we will write T, then T plus equal to 1, which counts the number of T present in the string. Then elif I double equal to quotation A plus equal to 1, which counts number of A present in the string. We will print frequency of T, means number of T present in the string, that is T, and frequency of A is A. So these are the total number of programs we have done in this class. This is all for today. In next class we will do some more programs and some high level programs using def and text file programs. Thank you.